Welcome to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, we'll listen to a real-life conversation between two friends who are talking about the problems they faced because of heavy rain, like traffic jams, waterlogging, waiting for transport, and more. This kind of conversation will help you learn how to speak English naturally and confidently in everyday situations. So grab your headphones and let's get started. Hey, you finally made it. I thought you'd be stuck forever in this rain. Tell me about it. It took me almost 2 hours to reach here. The traffic was insane. Yeah, I figured. I saw on the news that most of the roads were flooded. That's right. The main road near my place was completely waterlogged. Cars were literally stuck in knee-deep water. Oh no, that sounds terrible. Did you get wet? Of course. I was waiting for a cab for almost 45 minutes. Every cab I tried to book got canceled, and top of that, they were charging double. Typical. Whenever it rains heavily, everything just falls apart. Exactly. And the worst part? My shoes got soaked. I had to walk through the flooded street just to reach the bus stop. Ugh, that's the worst feeling. Wet shoes and socks. So uncomfortable. Tell me about it. And guess what? When I finally boarded the bus, it was packed. I had to stand all the way. The bus was crawling because of the traffic. Yeah, I got stuck too. The route I usually take was completely jammed. I took a shortcut, but even that was full of vehicles. The city just isn't built to handle this kind of rain. One downpour and it feels like everything collapses. So true. And not just roads. Even my office had leaks today. Seriously? Yeah! There was a steady drip right above the reception desk. They had to put a bucket under it. That's ridiculous. The rain also knocked out our internet for a while. Half the team couldn't work. Same here. Power cuts, slow internet, and people joining meetings on mobile data. It was chaos. And you know what's funny? A simple weather change completely disrupts our routine. No proper drainage, poor public transport, nothing seems prepared. Honestly, if they don't start working on better infrastructure, it's going to get worse every year. Absolutely. And the worst part is the unpredictability. The forecast said light rain. This was anything but light. Yeah, I didn't even carry an umbrella today. Neither did I. Rookie mistake. You know what? Next time, there's even a hint of rain in the forecast. I'm just working from home. Same here, not worth the struggle. But hey, at least we finally got to catch up. That's true. Rain or not, some good came out of it. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.